We're gonna bring down the plants. It's beautiful. Look at this. It's so nice. Wow. Look like a school, huh? Flower. I'm in the middle of this very beautiful house. You get swimming pool. You're gonna get another one. Wow. Wow, look at this one. Beautiful. Oh, swimming pool. They got for the kids too. Ang ganda ng house dito, guys. Ito, guys. Pag dito ka nakatira, napakatahimik. Malayo sa city, malayo sa bayan. Itong bahay nila, oh.
Temprano man natin
Parking.